Hello and welcome to another video of the IT Career Guide YouTube channel. In today's 5-Minute Wednesday video, I want to talk about cybersecurity, information security, and Office 365. And if you marry the two together, how it can build a stable platform for employment and where you have room to grow and really build up a career that accelerates income and also really that career path where you can grow with the technology and then really have a fulfilling career that is fun and that keeps you employed over time. Office 365 is Microsoft's cloud service. It includes services like Exchange Online, Sharepoint Online, OneDrive. Sooner probably than later, Microsoft will really allow SharePoint and OneDrive Online to really be that file server type of replacement. There will be a lot of data sitting in Office 365 and well, companies need to protect that data. They need to protect it from external malicious attempts to access that data and either steal it or use it against you by giving that data to a competitor. But overall, it's just like there are prying eyes and that data needs to be protected from external services and attacks. So then you have to look at it from the internal side. How do you protect that data internally so that only people can see certain things that they are supposed to see? So there's a lot of management in regards to information security that needs to be done. Then you have data governance. So you need to look at data archiving, email retention policies, GDPR. I'm throwing out a lot of terms and well, if you don't know what they are, please Google them. It's a little bit too much for this 5-Minute Wednesday video to go into detail. But information security and data governance are really tied together and it's really critical if you work in that field that you understand both. Information security, as you know, is one of the hottest trends in information technology. And in a certain way, I hate that it's a trend. It shouldn't be a trend. It's really just a critical part of information technology. And it requires a lot of specialized knowledge, people with the right level of education. You don't necessarily need a college degree to go into information security, but of course it's helpful. In addition to having work experience and potentially that college degree, you want to look at certifications in information technology. And I will list a few here. And again, please Google those and look them up. It's just too much level of detail if I start explaining the different certifications here. But the certifications, the expertise, and potentially that college degree really will build that pedigree that you can have and that you need to really use to your advantage being in information security and then focusing on a technology like Office 365 and the related services. So I hope this video just gives you a high-level insight into information security, cybersecurity, Office 365. So there are two different things, the security side and then the technology platform. And if you become an expert in this, it's really, the doors are open for you for a great career that really is interesting, challenging, keeping you employed, and it pays nicely too. So I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so as well. I would really appreciate it. And then I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.